Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you something very useful. I'm going to introduce you to an AI powered photo editing software that allows you to make your pictures and photos 5 times clearer than it used to be. So if you have any blurry photo you are planning on discarding, hold on a minute and watch the video. So let's get straight into it. So we visit the site. So it's an AI photo editing software. It provides a variety of other tools where you can explore other tools as well. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to unblur an image and make it 5 times clearer. So hit the unblur image button, then it takes us to this page. So it's that simple. All you have to do is you upload the image, you adjust the blurriness or the how enhanced it should be, then you download your image. It's that simple. So let's go on. Hit the upload image button, then we select any photo or image of your choice. So I'm gonna be dealing with these images. First, let's begin with this. Hit open. So picture is being processed. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. While that, you can scroll down a little and hit the subscription button. And there we have it. So this is our initial photo after the AI's magic. This is what our photo turned into. Very sharp image right there. So after adjusting, you can go on to download your photo. So let's do that quickly. So download has begun. Then we can check out our photo. Open. So quality is retained, everything is intact. Very sharp photo, very enhanced photo. So you could use this across all platforms from WhatsApp to Instagram. So you guys should hop on this one. So let's try another one. This time I'm gonna use an illustration so my fellow developers can use this as well to sharpen their illustrations. So you open, then right there. So this is the initial illustration or image. So after the magic of AI, this is the resultant image, very sharp and of high resolution. So just like the previous one, we're gonna check out the image to see if it retained its quality. So let's open that. And yeah, as sharp as it was on the site. Okay, so let's try another one. So we go back, then we hit the upload image button once again. This time I'm gonna use another photo. So we click open. Processing takes place as usual. So any blurriness in the image is being eliminated. So as usual, I'm gonna show you the initial photo, very blurry image right there. So quick wish has completely transformed the image into this sharp image. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so after adjusting with the slider, you can go on to download as well. So let's see the download button. So let's check out our photo, and yes, quality is retained, very sharp photo. So very big, very big transformation right there. This is the initial photo, and this is the resultant photo after AI intervened. So we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave in the comment section any question or comment you have. I hope this video was helpful, and bye for now.